Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the Automationist channel. I'm your host Chandan Kamal Sharma, and today I've got an exciting topic to dive into the fascinating world of behavior economics and how it can work wonders for your B2C marketing strategies. So, grab your favorite snack and let's embark on this insightful journey. So, before we get into the nitty gritty, let's understand what behavior economics is all about. It is the study of how people make decisions and the fascinating quirks that influence those decisions. We are talking about things like fear of missing out, the power of peer influence, and the tendency to avoid losses. These quirks can be your secret weapon in the world of B2C marketing and marketing automation. So, first thing first, you have got to know what you want to achieve. Do you want to boost sales, increase brand loyalty, or encourage repeat purchases? Setting clear behavior goals will guide your strategies. Next comes the segmentation of the audience because not all customers are the same, and that's why you need to segment your audience based on their behavior, preferences, and buying habits. It's like tailoring your marketing messages to fit your customers perfectly. So, to start with, in the behavior economics area, let's start with scarcity and urgency. Ever noticed how some deals feel too good to pass up? That's the magic of scarcity and urgency. By using marketing automation tools, you can create messages that convey limited availability or time sensitive offers. It's like a virtual countdown that nudges customers to act now. Let's now talk about the next, which is the power of social proof. People often look to others for guidance, and that's where social proof comes in. Share reviews, testimonials, or user generated content to show potential customers that others have found value in your product and your services. The third topic is the tapping into the loss aversion. Loss aversion is a powerful motivator. It helps customers see what they might lose by not taking an action. For example, if they abandoned their cart, gently remind them of the fantastic deals they are passing up. It's all about showing the potential loss. Next up is the embracing the endowment effect. People tend to attach more value to something they perceive as their own. Offer trials, exclusives, or personalized experiences that make customers feel that they already own a piece of your brand. And then comes personalization. Today's customers crave personalization. Marketing automation tools can help you tailor messages and recommendations based on the person's or the customer's past behavior and preferences. It's like having a personal shopper at your service. And then comes the remarketing strategy. Remarketing is a game changer. If a customer leaves without an action, use marketing automation to bring them back. Remind them of what they were about to miss out on using the, I would say, persuasion methods. So as you implement these behavior economic tactics, keep a close eye on your results. Measurements, metrics like conversion rates, customer engagement, and revenue generation. It is all about continuous improvement. Finally, do not forget that there is a thin line of difference between persuasion and manipulation. Keep your persuasion practices ethical and do not cross the line. Otherwise, in the long run, it will have a negative impact on your business. And there you have it, a roadmap to implement behavior economics in your B2C marketing strategies and marketing automation. These psychological triggers can help you connect with your customers on a whole new level. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks right here on the Automationist channel. Thank you and see you again in the next video.